This is new words of this lesson, lesson number 9, a bottle of dew. New words. Landlord, cheated, travels, potion, transform, gather, plantation, muttered, sprinkled, disappointment. So these new words you have to write in your notebook. And now meanings. These are meanings. Track, potion, poppers, says, chant, transform, dew, and plantation. So these meanings you have to write and learn in your notebook. Okay. And now exercise A2. Exercise A1 completed in last videos. And now exercise A2. Question answers. Answer these questions. Question number 1. Why did Ramanatha go to meet the sage? Answer. Ramanatha went to meet the sage because he thought the sage would know where to find the magic potion that turned things into gold. Second question. Was this meeting useful to him? Give reasons for your answer. Answer. The meeting was useful to Ramanatha because the sage told him the process of making the magic potion. Question third. While Ramanatha was collecting the dew, what did his wife do? So while Ramanatha was collecting the dew, his wife gathered the banana crop, sold it in the market and earned good money. Question 4. The sage asked Ramanatha to bring him 5 liters of dew. What did Ramanatha decide to do so that he could collect this within the shortest period of time? Answer. To collect the amount of dew Ramanatha required in the shortest period of time, he decided to clear his large fields and turn them into banana plantation. He would collect the dew that forms on the leaves of the plants in winter. And question 5. This is cheating. Why did Ramanatha say this? Answer. Ramanatha's magic potion, prepared according to the sage's instructions, failed to turn a copper vessel into gold. So he felt cheated. Question 6. There was no magic potion. Yet Ramanatha made a lot of money. What was the real magic? Answer. The real magic was becoming rich through hard work. The question answers has been completed. These question answers you have to write in your notebook and learn. And now exercise A3. Here are the steps that the sage told Ramanatha to follow to make the magic potion. The order is not correct. Rearrange these sentences and put them in the correct order as given in the story. So you have to these sentences in correct order. The first, plant banana trees. Second, water the plants regularly yourself. Third, collect the dew that settles on the leaves. Fourth, the dew should weigh 5 liters. Fifth, take the dew to the sage. Sixth, the sage will chant a mantra. Seventh, the dew will change into a magic potion. And eighth, a drop of this magic potion will change anything into gold. So this is the correct order. All exercises of this chapter has been completed. And now worksheet. This is worksheet. Filling the blanks. You have to complete it. The chapter 9, A Bottle of Dew, has been completed. Happy learning.